Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Virgo. Una mensahe po ninyo ay Seven of Pentacles. Ayan. So, um, there is success, no, na naghihintay sa inyo, Virgo. And, um, this may not be the exact form, no, of success na minimithi ninyo, but this is definitely better, no, ng kesa doon sa kung ano man ang ine-expect ninyo. This is so much better. But yun nga lang, kailangan ninyo pa na magpasensya, kailangan pa ninyo na maghintay ng divine timing, no? Kasi this is not ready yet for you, but there is a promise of success. You are reaching your goals, no? Definitely you are going to accomplish dito kung ano man yung gusto ninyo ma-accomplish, no? Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa yon handa, no, na ibigay sa inyo ng universe, but there is a promise dito na ibibigay sa iyo kung ano ang mas makakabuti sa'yo, ang best para sa'yo. Okay? So, now is the time for you to step back saglit lang, no, doon sa kung anong pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, doon sa kung ano man yung ine-expect ninyo, kung ano man yung mga expectations ninyo sa ngayon, step back from that muna and rest assured, no, na kung ano man yung success na ine-expect ninyo, success will come. Okay? Success will come in divine timing. Okay? So, ngayon, step back muna kayo, magnilay-nilay kayo, magmuli-muli kayo, make plans for the future. And also, you know, maybe this is also a time that you need to reflect on what you have done already, no? Kasi baka may kulang pa, baka may missing piece pa dito sa puzzle ninyo kaya hindi pa binibigay ng universe, 'di ba? So, magmuni-muni kayo because baka magkaroon kayo ng realization dito na oo nga, baka kailangan ko pang gawin ito, kailangan ko pang punuan ito or whatsoever. Okay? So, we have two of cups, yan. So, mukhang meron kayong makakatulong dyan, no? Sa gagawin ninyong yan, Virgo. Maybe there is a collaboration happening dito. Baka meron susuporta sa inyo sa kung ano pa ang kailangan ninyong gawin. There could be a partnership coming your way dito. It could be related to trabaho, to career, baka meron kayong ginagawang proyekto, and this could be, no, the person that is going to support you or help you sa sitwasyon na ito. Okay? Possible din na baka love or romantic relationship ito, no, na partnership na dadating. But whatever the case may be, anumang klaseng relationship ang papasukin ninyo sa ngayon, maganda to kasi you are going to experience that harmony and peace between you and that person. So, maganda. Three of Pentacles, meron talaga kayong makakatulong, Virgo. Someone is going to help you dito na ma-carry out ninyo kung ano yung kailangan ninyong ma-achieve or ma-accomplish. So, there is definitely success dito. Lalong-lalo na at meron kayong makakapartner. Lalong-lalo na at merong makikipag-collaborate sa inyo, susuporta sa inyo in any way. Kaya napakaganda. Napakaganda. You are going to climb the ladder of success talaga, no? Nang mas mabilis sa ngayon because of the help of this person, kung sino man ito. What else? We have the Hanged Man. Ayan. So, you are on the waiting game talaga, or kailangan talaga ninyo na maghintay pa, Virgo. Okay? Hindi pa to handa. No? As I've said earlier, hindi pa to ready para sa'yo. The divine universe is still working on it. It's still in the process, kung ano man ito. Pero, di ba, may kasabihan na good things come to those who wait. Kaya maganda to, maghintay muna kayo, wag ninyong madaliin, wag kayong mag-rush, wag ninyong i-insist or ipilit kung ano man yung mga gusto ninyong mangyari. Alright? Because most of the time, kapag nagpipilit tayo, kapag nag-i-insist tayo, no, mas mas lalong hindi maganda ang kinahihinatnan, 'di ba? Na kung ano man ang ginagawa natin. Kaya let's be patient, okay? Let's be patient and ano, practice patience, alright? Dito sa kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay. This is also a time for reflection, no? As I've said earlier, then dito sa Seven of Pentacles, you may need to step back from what's making you busy and mag-reflect kayo because maybe there are some things that you need, no? Na malaman pa from deep within you. The Magician, you're definitely taking action, okay? You're definitely taking action for some of you. Dito na nagpo-procrastinate, for some of you na nagdadalawang isip, nag-hesitate, nagda-doubt sa inyong sarili, sa inyong mga kakayanan. Now is the time that you are going to, or you need, no, to get on your feet. No, get on your feet and make things happen. Get on your feet and start taking action. All right. So what else? We have Five of Wands. Ayan. So there could be conflict. No, there could be conflict dito. Maaring yung conflict na to is with with someone that could be related to trabaho, to tawag dito, to relationship ninyo, no? Maybe sa person ninyo, love a romantic relationship. So, maaaring meron kayong hindi pinagkakaintindihan ng inyong person rito or kaibigan or business partner, no? But since meron tayong Two of Cups, at meron tayong Five of Wands. So, possible, no? Sa ngayon, na kung dito kayo nanggagaling, no? Sa isang diskusyon, sa hindi pagkakaintindihan. But since we have the Two of Cups, so, may posibilidad dito na magkaayos kayo. Magkaayos na kayo, magkausap na kayo, no? So, there is a possibility dito na magiging mas harmonious na din ang inyong relationship at this time. Kaya, maaaring magbalikan na kayo or maaaring magkausap na kayo at mapatch up na ninyo yung hindi ninyo pagkakaintindihan. Okay? We have the Empress energy. Yan, napakaganda ni Empress pagdating sa kaperahang aspeto, Virgo. Kasi si Empress is a very prosperous and abundant energy. So, meron pagkakataon dito na magkakaroon kayo ng mas maraming pera, mas maraming ipon, mas maraming material na bagay. You know, you are going to experience luxury dito kahit papaano, no? Meron ditong paparating na pera sa inyo that is going to bring you prosperity in abundance. Okay? So, napakaganda. Ang iba din siguro sa inyo rito, no? You are going to be more caring of yourself. Maaring mas mag-aalaga kayo sa inyong sarili sa ngayon, pangangatawan sa ngayon. Okay? What else? We have Queen of Wands. Ayan, Virgo. Si Queen of Wands, this is about leadership. Siguro kung nagtatrabaho kayo sa isang kumpanya, maaaring kayo ay mabigyan ng promotion, no? And into a leadership role. So, possible yan, Virgo. It is also possible for you, kung ano man yun, kasi magte-take action na kayo rito, 'di ba? Kung meron kayong mga gustong gawin, may plans, may mga ideas kayo na gusto nyong i-roll out sa ngayon, with the Queen of Wands energy, it is possible that you are going to take action towards that. And kung ano man yan na gusto ninyong ma-accomplish yan, you're really going for it. You're really going to put your time, attention, no, and focus sa mga bagay na yan hanggang sa ma-accomplish ninyo yan. So, maganda kasi talagang papunta kayo sa pagtatagumpay. Yun ang ninyo, yun ang target ninyo, no? Yung pagtagumpayan ninyo. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.